Dalian Kaihui Electronics Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of plastic molding products with 51 employees. The company participated in the Sustaining Competitive and Responsible Enterprises SCORE project in 2011.
The problems of Kaihui Electronics mainly lay in several key areas. Customer complaint rates were as high as 5 to 7 per month, while the percentage of defective products was not under control, being beyond control targets of 1%. The arranged areas for raw materials and semi-manufactured products were too small and could not match product output, exerting pressure on 5S management. Molds were not systematically managed, indirectly influencing product quality. Employee turnover was also relatively high, reaching up to 20%, adversely affecting the steady development of the company.
My name is Wang Ling, a production line worker in the Dalian Kaihui Company Limited molding factory. My working environment in the past was in a mess. Waste materials often were scattered over desks and the floor. Products were not clearly classified and there was no operation standards, so I worked under great pressure. When I was working, product defect rates were high. Many customers complained, and the company managers were very unsatisfied. This made me very unhappy when I was working.
According to the SCORE working method, over the initial period we helped the enterprise establish an improvement team, composed of 8 members, 5 of whom came from the production line, consisting of 62% of the team. With mutual communication between managers and production line workers, a good platform for dialogue was formed. In the process of improvement, we applied and repeated the concept of PDCA, resulting in systematic improvement. Through using checklists, problems were identified, and through team discussion and brainstorming, problems were prioritized. Along with on-site improvements, internal management also improved.
Through SCORE training, the company established an improvement team. Team activities involved sharing good ideas, and problems at work were jointly solved. We also employed a statistical approach in practice, such as Pareto diagrams, and then a statistic analysis of defects was carried out. As long as there was a defective product, we would figure out its root causes, and then thoroughly analyze these causes. Following this, corresponding solutions were proposed. In this way, problems were comprehensively solved. Our present working environment has changed significantly. The floor and desks are clean. Articles are clearly marked. Boxes for defective products and articles for work are clearly arranged. And there are also detailed benchmark indexes for products and packing instructions. When formerly we had a plastic bag for materials, we now have a material bucket with a cover. This is not only moisture-proof but also dust-proof. With the assistance of the SCORE project, we strengthened outgoing inspection. My work now is very relaxing, and the defect rate of my products has been greatly reduced. The customers complain less and are more satisfied. My present work performance is acknowledged and recognized by the managers. I am very delighted when I am at work now.
Since the implementation of the SCORE project, customer complaint rates have decreased to 1 or 2 per month, and defect percentage rates has been well controlled below 1%. Customer satisfaction, the level of 5S management, and employee morale has been greatly improved. And the employee turnover rate has decreased from 20% to 10%, thereby providing a stable internal environment for development.
After receiving SCORE training, the former management methods have been changed, and communication between the employees and the management has been strengthened. Joint problem solving was fundamental to the implementation of the improvement plan, and enhanced the executive force of the enterprise, laying a solid foundation for further improvements in quality and productivity.
We benefited a lot from the SCORE training. On behalf of all the employees, I hereby extend our sincere gratitude to the ILO for the SCORE training.